Hello, my name is Rebecca. Welcome to my channel, Bellavi. This video is dedicated to press-on nail application. First things first, nail care. We're going to start off with cuticle softener and remover. Typically, you want to soak your nails in water first to help soften up the cuticles, but I just skip that step most of the time and I go in with a generous amount of cuticle softener. Then I push back my cuticles and scrape off the excess. Now, you don't want to skip this step. You want to ensure that the artificial nail has a flat and clean surface to lay itself onto. You want to go in gently with the cuticle pusher and then scrape off that excess. You are looking for deadened skin, no live skin, okay? So don't go digging for gold. Keep it real gentle and keep it cute. Now we're just going to repeat those steps on the opposite hand. Now it's time to wash our hands. We are washing with soap and water and taking that nail brush underneath the nail and on top of the nail bed. We want to make sure that any oils or creams are completely cleansed off of the nails and hands. As I'm drying off my hands, I like to further inspect my nails, ensure that everything is clean, that there is no excess product around my nail bed. Then I go in and see if there's any other areas that need a little tending to, and I go in with my cuticle nipper and get rid of that excess deadened skin. Now it's time to clean off and dry off the nail bed and get it ready for the application. I just go in with 100% acetone. You can also use alcohol for this step. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Bingo. We are going with the gold, silver, and white set with glitter by Nail Reformation. Look how beautiful this set is. I actually get most of my nails from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Not only do they have a large variety of different brands to choose from, but they are going for a great price. Now we're going to go on to our sizing. Now there are numbers on the back of the nails to help guide you to ensure you have a matching set. You want to make sure the nail is not too large or too small for your nail bed. Okay, let's go through the rest of this kit. We've got nail glue. Phew! Don't need that. We have a cuticle pusher. Been there, done that. Then we have cuticle oil. We have our own. We won't be needing it. We have an orange stick, and then we have an emery board that we will be using to buff off the natural nail. I use the pink and gentler side to buff off my natural nail. You do want to create a rough surface for the nail to attach to. We're going to apply the same process to the press-on nail. I use my electric nail file to buff off the artificial nail. Roughing off your natural nail as well as the press-on nail makes for the best adhesion. But don't get too drill happy. Do not get carried away and buff too hard that you break, crack, or thin out the fake nail. All right, now it's time for the fun part. We are going and applying the nails. I use nail resin. I use the brand Mia Secret that's on Amazon. I'll go ahead and link that below. I like to use nail resin because it's just a bit more tackier and it does not dry as fast as some nail glue, so it just gives me some time to adjust the nail if need be. I get about a week and a half's wear by doing this and using this product. Now go ahead and apply that nail, attach that really tightly, press as firmly as you can and hold that down for 30 full seconds. If you need a timer, go for it. If you want to whistle your way through, listen to music, whatever you got to do, be patient with this process. Look how beautiful that is. So I go in with every single nail and I apply the nail resin to my natural nail as well as the artificial nail. When you are applying the fake nail, you want to go in at a slight angle as close enough to the cuticle bed as possible. Then you want to go ahead and press down. So you are doing this to ensure that their air bubbles are coming out completely as you're applying and pressing that down. Hold that for 30 seconds. And guys, please don't come too hard on me. I know my hands are ashy and I know my nails are janky. Listen, the process ain't too pretty, but the end result is going to be fabulous. Wait and see. Now we're going to go and clean off the excess resin with acetone. I like to go in with 100% acetone to just get rid of whatever spillover I might have gotten when I pressed the nail down. And if anything landed on my fingers, I'll go ahead and rub that off as well. Yay, we made it. Now we're on to one of our final steps. I'm applying cuticle oil. You want to go ahead and rub that in. Next up, we're going in with our hand cream. Of course, attacking that ash. We're going in with a generous amount of my Palmer's Intensive Hand Relief Cream. Rub that in, get that in between into the webs of the fingers. And look, guys, how gorgeous these nails are. You could not tell me I did not pay $120 for this set at somebody's salon. Check me out. Gorgeous.